Hi all and welcome back. Today is an organization video sharing some tips how you can organize your wardrobe efficiently. So let's head on. If you have heaps and bundles of scarves lying around everywhere in the house, get organizers like this. This helps in saving space and sanity. You can neatly fold and arrange your scarves and hang them on the hanger rods. Segregating and keeping your artificial jewelry is really very important. I found this organizers to be very helpful, and also this drawer system has been very convenient when it comes to storing accessories. I've labeled them and allotted different drawers for different things. The first section is for clips and bands. The second one is for creams and earrings. You can easily slide out the earring compartment and slide it back in. This is my daughter's wardrobe, so this tips would be really convenient for teenagers and girls alike. You can store your delicate neck pieces and delicate accessories in Ziploc pouches so that they don't get tangled. Segregating and keeping your bangles in a nice way would be helpful when you have to get ready for an occasion or party. Let me show you how I have arranged the wardrobe here. In the topmost shelf I've stored occasional use items. Like in this suitcase I've stored travel essentials and backpacks. And I've stored board games over here. I'm using this shopping bag as an organizer to organize all those bags which can be folded and kept. Having an overhead shelf has been really very convenient when it comes to saving space and storing all those rarely and occasionally used items. Now this is the second shelf. This is the most visible one when you open your wardrobe, so it has to be very clutter free so that you get a nice focus and you have an open mind when you want to decide what to wear. I am storing party wear dresses over here, neatly hanging them. I folded them in such a way that they occupy very less space vertically, giving me a lot of space down below to organize things. And using a basket to organize daily essentials. This is a sliding door wardrobe, so I am left with no options to use the door space to use over the door hangers. Luckily, organizers like this make up for that. So the next is the pull-out drawer. Here I've used DIY storage boxes which I've made out of a shoebox to store her inners and school essentials. I'm also using a pouch to store her nail paints. Moving on to the next shelf. Here I am keeping the daily wear clothes. I am using a low height basket to store all of her kurtis. The kurtis are folded in such a way that they occupy very less space. And when I take out a single piece, it doesn't disturb the fold of other clothes, and I can accommodate many over here. A small shoebox can accommodate so many nightwears. Similarly, all her pants and leggings are folded and kept in this shoebox. The dressing drawer system has been kept over here, and behind this I've neatly arranged all of her jeans, folded them neatly. Sorry for the lighting. This system has been very convenient, and I have to keep a weekly update in proper functioning of this system. The next and the last shelf. Here I am keeping her heavy work clothes like ghagras in a plastic bag. And this basket contains all of her western tops. Folding western tops is a little tricky, but however not so hard. This DIY storage box contains all of her sweaters and winter wear. Just a small box can hold so many sweaters. These are some of my tips which I am sharing, which have been very useful to me. and I hope you find them useful too. You might know some better tips, but I'm sharing some tips which I found to be very useful and very convenient in terms of having a functional and realistic wardrobe. So if you guys did like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, do leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys are safe and happy, and I'll see you in my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.